And welcome to another edition of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro, how are you?
Very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. We got a really nice video again.
Yes.
Want to share everyone what you're doing today, Hiro?
Today is our number 2 recipe with the Alaskan red crab legs. And here's the crabs here. So today use this one. We call Kani Suki. It's kind of hot pot.
Okay.
With the ingredients, other vegetable ingredients right here. And the napa cabbage here. Scallion. And this one we call in Japan, we call kind of shungiku. Shungiku. It's I think another name is tonho.
Tonho.
Yeah. And here's a enoki mushroom.
Okay.
And here is a shimeji mushroom. And I'm going to use a tofu form. And this is we call it shirataki. It's a yamu noodle.
Okay.
It's very new for you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna use this one, putting together into this part.
Okay. Very good.
Yes. So the first step, I'm gonna make. You can see here's a dashi kobu here and a bonito flake here, and here's a 1,000 cc 1 liter with the water here.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna use a several crab to make the basic soup.
I want to thank John again from North Carolina for sending this out to us.
Yes.
Delicious, delicious crab legs. So good. And I can't wait to try this one, Hiro.
Okay, let's start to break the crabs. Here's a big.
Let's show everyone these
big
claws at
claws
home.
here.
Unbelievable.
This is
Hold that
nice.
up, Hiro. Hold that up. This thing is huge. Look how long that thing is. And look at that, so much muscle in that too. So much meat in that claw. I can't wait to try it.
Yeah, like that. Okay. I'm gonna do again same way last time. We're gonna do cut these parts like that. I'm gonna use the scissor again.
Okay. Look at this claw. Let me just put this in my hand. I want to see it.
Oh.
Look how big this thing is.
I'll wait.
It's huge. Really, this is long too. It's probably like 15 inches long, maybe more. Okay, here. What's... And those elbows in there, knuckles, are full of meat too, you know?
Yes. This one, I think scissor is not going through.
Yeah.
So way too hard, I guess. Yeah, too hard. I'm gonna crack
Okay.
this parts.
Nice. Full of meat.
Yes, a lot.
Full of meat.
Rich meat.
Nice, Hiro. And all the shells, we can use it to cook some.
Yes,
Stock with, right?
basic soup. Yeah, I think enough for the pot. Okay, next step, we're gonna make a soup stock
Okay.
for that. Here's cold water. I mean, from tap water, 1 liter, 1000 cc here. Put into the pot. In the dashikobu
Okay.
in it. Then you're gonna start the fire on. Okay. And then once water start boiling, then I'm gonna start to put in another ingredients.
Okay, very
bonito
good.
flake and crabs. Or there's some junks.
Okay. Some chunks.
Yeah.
The shell.
Shells.
Okay.
Okay, next step I'm gonna put into the crabs. I mean the shells.
The junk.
Yeah, I said it, John. I'm sorry, John. This is just
There's a lot of
the
meat in
good-
there, Hiro.
good stuff.
I'll eat this junk any day.
Yeah. This part I'm gonna put back to the pot.
Okay.
So I'll take
So this is how long do you leave this in here for?
about maybe 5 minutes,
Okay.
and then after that I need to put the bonito flake also.
Okay.
So
So you take this out, or you put the bonito flakes
I'm gonna put the bonito flake right
in together?
after that.
Okay.
Okay, next step I'm gonna put the bonito flake. Then I'm gonna stop the fire.
And you leave it like this?
Yeah, then I'm gonna strain it out right now.
Okay. Oh, you don't leave it in there long, huh?
Yeah, I'm just gonna pick up the big stuff first. Okay.
And that's how you make dashi with king crab
Okay,
legs.
this is a the
Very special dashi.
soup stock.
Yeah, soup stock.
Mhm.
Incredible and expensive with all this good shells and meat.
So now we are going to set up to the ingredients in here, except crab and the shungiku.
Okay.
I'm gonna set up the tofu and napa cabbage, shiitake, shimeji, enoki, and then yamu cake noodle. So I'm gonna put in the pot first. And then also you can add the ingredients later on, little by little.
Okay. Now this still steaming. The dashi soup.
Dashi soup with a crab.
Yep.
And let's go to shiitake mushroom. Enoki mushroom. Maybe I'm gonna put the half of that first. The shimeji mushroom. And the yamu cake noodle. Like that.
Okay.
Then I just for the color, I'm gonna use the carrot.
Okay. And these were boiled. You just cut them out and boiled them?
Yes, I just cut and then pre-cook already.
Okay.
Okay, this is from my side. So this is coming from your side.
Okay.
So like that. And next one, now I'm going to add the dashi soup.
Okay. Now is this supposed to fill all the way to the top?
No, it's a half of that, and then from the vegetable juice coming out too.
Okay.
So you don't need to worry about it. And plus, of course, while you're cooking, and a little by little, you want to add the vegetable or the meat or crabs. In this case, you can add the regular water,
Okay.
and then I want to actually use the mirin and soy sauce right now.
Okay.
You can add the little flavor to
Got
you
it.
cooking, or just cooking one shot, and that's it.
Okay.
Or you want to add a little bit more ingredients later.
Okay.
Okay, now heat is on. Okay, so once water starts boiling, I want to add the mirin and the soy sauce.
Okay. Very good.
Let's go wait a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna add the mirin and the soy sauce.
Yeah, it looks so pretty. Everything's so organized. You know,
Good, right?
are you gonna mix everything up or no?
Yeah, almost. Let me check the quick. I check soup. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Very good.
Okay.
Okay. This moment, shiitake mushroom and everything start cooking. Okay, now I'm gonna add the crab.
Okay.
Wow, a lot of crabs.
That looks amazing. What a meal. See, I always seen people heat it up and dip it in butter, melted butter here.
Oh,
When I see people eat this at restaurants, some seafood
right.
restaurants down here, they just basically comes out hot. You take it out and dip it in melted butter. This is a whole nother level of cooking.
yeah, especially winter season.
Right.
This is very very good.
I like how you cut down the shell so it's easier to get to the meat.
So now we have a little bit of problem. Is all the crab meat doesn't fit.
Okay. It's okay.
A lot of crabs, but as much as I can. Vegetables anyway, after a little bit more cook, it's going to be more,
Yeah, go down,
going down. So,
shrink or whatever you call it.
so it's okay. As much as I can, I put it.
Yeah,
It looks not so pretty right now because of too many crabs on it. But it's okay.
it's okay. We'll make it work.
So now he has to say, what should I do?
Oh, what should you do? 3 more pieces, Hiro? Let me think about it. Of course.
No,
You
put
must
it,
put it
no,
in.
put everything, right?
Oh, yes.
That's what he has to say.
Put everything in. See, it fits.
Yeah. But yeah, it's good. Everything covered up by the crabs.
Nice.
Okay.
How
I'm
did you-
gonna cook this one another 2-3 minutes.
Okay,
Then after I'm gonna put this one.
Okay.
Shunriku.
got it.
So step I'm gonna put in the shunriku. Wow, nice. Put in the top and then cover up. And another 2-3 minutes. That's it.
Okay. Wow, so nice. Can't wait to see it, Hiro.
Yeah. Okay, Kani Suki is ready. I'm gonna stop the fire. Then I'm gonna put this one here. Okay, let's check it inside.
Wow. Look how good this looks. I don't need to tell you at home, but take a look at this. What a delicious looking dish, Hiro. Unbelievable. And let me tell you, these crab leg meat, so succulent, so good. I want to thank again John from North Carolina sending this to us. Thank you so much again, John. One of our viewers on YouTube here. I wanted to send you something, Hiro. Thank you so much again.
Thank you very much.
Yep. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it, don't forget to subscribe, and tell us if you can try and make this at home, because this is one heck of a dish. See you soon, Hiro. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Here we are, Hiro, to the tasting part.
Yes.
Deliciousness times 2,000 and more. Are you ready?
Yes, very ready.
Okay. Enjoy.
Okay, I'm gonna use the pond sauce.
Okay.
I'm gonna use the pond sauce and a little bit of yuzu.
Yuzu, okay.
And I'm gonna use scallion.
Okay.
Okay, let's take crab first. Look at this. Wow.
I can imagine the flavor of this because it's got all these
Right.
the dashi soup going on in there.
Look at this.
Wow.
Ooh.
So different from how normally people
Good
eat this.
stuff, you know?
Look at that meat.
Wow. Right. I'm gonna put this on the pond sauce.
Okay.
Put a little scallion on it. That's it.
How's it?
So good.
Nothing like it, huh? And look at everything else. All that stuff in there. Mushrooms, tofu. You got the tong ho. You got the napa.
All in one.
All in one with a dashi soup. Looks so good. Well, it's really not that hard to do. So if you guys have a chance to pick up these crab legs, if not, maybe some shrimp or some kind of other crustacean, give it a try at home. Hopefully you guys can get something close to what this looks like. Hiro-san, see you soon.
Thank you very much. See
Thank
you soon.
you. Bye-bye.